Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Naman and back with another video. So as you saw the title, today's video is a shopping haul video. Now I have been purchasing a lot of items from a lot of different places and I will be showing you all those items in this video. Now just to give you a gist, I have about 4 sneakers with me. I have around 4 to 5 t-shirts, a couple of G-Shock watches and a cap as well. So please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Right, so without wasting any more time, let's start with the first item on the list. The first thing I'm showing you today is a Nike sneaker. As you can see, it's Nike SB box. Now this is my first SB purchase and the sneaker I'm showing you today is Nike SB Force 58. This is a new addition to Nike's SB range. Now I purchased this sneaker from Myntra and I think I got around 500 or 1000 rupees off. The retail price for these is 6000 rupees, which I think is a great price for such an amazing looking sneaker. This actually looks very similar to Air Jordan 1 lows and I think the color combination of black, white and blue looks really nice, a very refreshing touch, and has got mix of materials as well. They've got suede, canyons and leather, all the 3 premium materials used on sneakers. So this was my first purchase. Now coming on to the second one, this is a New Balance sneaker. Now I have been focusing a lot on New Balance lately. I have recently reviewed New Balance 997S on my channel as well. So if you haven't checked it out, I'll put the link over here to check it out. Now this is New Balance 574. I already have a New Balance 574 and I think these sneakers are really comfortable, and that is the reason I bought this one. And I didn't have this light yellow or lime kind of color sneaker, so I'm really happy to add this color to my collection. And I purchased this sneaker from Flipkart. I will be leaving the link for all of these items down in the description for you guys so that you can check it out. And I would not be talking in detail about all of these sneakers because I will be reviewing all of these separately. So stay tuned on my channel for that. Now the third sneaker I'm showing you today is from Ajio. Now probably the box was damaged in transit, so Ajio sent a replacement box, which I do not like. But nonetheless, let me quickly show you the sneaker. So this is Adidas Originals Marathon Tech, a sneaker that comes with Ultra Boost technology and it looks very comfortable, and that is one of the reasons I've actually purchased it. I really like this black and silver kind of a color combination on the shoe. I haven't worn these sneakers yet, so I can't comment about the comfort, but as I mentioned, I will be reviewing all of these sneakers separately, so stay tuned for that. Now the fourth sneaker in today's item is, as you can see, it's the Air Jordan 1 box. Now I will be saving this for the last, so please stay tuned till the end. I think most of the people would have understood by the box, but if you haven't, stay tuned till the end. I'll talk about this one later. Right, so coming to some of the clothing items on the list, the first thing I want to show you is this grey Jordan cap. This cap looks really nice. It has got this Jump-In logo in this orange, crimson, peachish kind of color, I'm not sure. But the cap looks really nice. The materials on this are really soft. Right, now coming down to some of the t-shirts that I've recently purchased, I just want to let you know that most of the t-shirts I'm showing today are oversized t-shirts, because oversized t-shirts are quite in these days, and specifically people like me who are a little overweight prefer wearing oversized t-shirts because it does hide a lot of fat around the belly area. So let me quickly start with the items here. I've got around 4 t-shirts here. In fact, this particular t-shirt is also one of the items that I've recently purchased. I purchased this from Uniqlo. The t-shirt looks really nice. It is a mix of cotton and polyester. The stuff is very nice. It is very comfortable. You do not feel too hot in this particular t-shirt, so it is perfect for summers. Now showing you the other t-shirt, I recently purchased this yellow color t-shirt from Uniqlo. This is also an oversized t-shirt, and I think it would go perfect with this particular sneaker. The color almost matches. This is just one shade darker than this particular t-shirt, but I think they would match really well. And coming down to the second item, I recently purchased this plain white basic Nike tee. The reason I purchased this particular t-shirt is because I have a lot of Nike sneakers, as you might have already seen in my other videos, and I think this would go perfect with those Nike sneakers, and you can never go wrong with a white t-shirt. And got one more white t-shirt. So this is the white t-shirt that I purchased from Uniqlo, from the same series. In fact, I can check the name here. So yeah, so this is their Airism range. So coming down to the last t-shirt, this is probably the best t-shirt I've ever purchased for myself. the sickest t-shirt I've ever seen. This t-shirt I purchased from Soul Store. If you guys do not know about Soul Store, it's an online website. They don't have stores, I guess, as of now. You can download the application as well. I'll put the link down in the description for you guys. You can check it out. I have been purchasing from Soul Store for a long time. The best thing about Soul Store is their basic t-shirts. They use good material and they're not that costly as well. And the t-shirts are durable. Not like other brands who are probably cheaper than Soul Store, but the t-shirts do not last that long. The best thing about Soul Store t-shirts are they probably last for 2-3 years and are in the range of like 500-600 rupees. This one is a bit costly and majorly because of the animation of the t-shirt. Now, as you can see, it is written down here in Japanese. I'm really not sure what it means. If you do know, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to know what it is written. The best part about the t-shirt is actually on the back, and it is this. So if you guys do not know, this is Goku from Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Z has been my favorite anime series since my childhood. I have been watching it probably since the time I remember, and this is one series that I have loved watching, and even still I watch the series. Unfortunately, it does not air in India, so I have to watch it on YouTube, like you're watching the video right now on YouTube. But yes, I love the character Goku, one of the best characters in the series. So as you can see the t-shirt, this looks amazing. I just can't wait to wear this t-shirt out. I love the animation on the t-shirt. I love the fact that I was able to purchase a Goku t-shirt, and thank you Soul Store for making this particular t-shirt. I love it. And just to let you guys know, this is not a paid sponsorship from Soul Store. I genuinely love the brand, is the reason I am promoting the brand this much. So do check this particular brand out, has got amazing collection. So now coming to the third item on the list, I recently purchased a couple of G-Shock watches. If you guys do not know, I love G-Shock watches, and there are a lot of different reasons why I actually love G-Shock watches, which I'll be talking about later. But first of all, let me quickly show you the watch that I've recently got. Now this particular watch is from the Camo series. Now including these two, I think now I probably have got 5 G-Shock watches, but I am still not familiar with the model and the names. But yeah, let me quickly show you the watch. So as you can see, this is an amazing and a very cool box. It's got the camo print all over the box and on the lid as well. So this is the watch that I've recently got for myself. I love camouflage and I wanted to buy a camo G-Shock watch for a very long time. Now there are different colors that come in camo watches. The most famous is the green camo. The other one is blue. I think they have a red and a grey one as well. And since my first G-Shock purchase, I've been in love with G-Shock watches, and I try to buy as many G-Shock watches as possible. I do save a lot of money because buying watches is not that easy, because some of the G-Shock watches are very costly. And as I mentioned, including these two, I probably have got 5 G-Shock watches now. So I'm slowly building my watch collection as well. If you guys want, I can probably show you my watch collection as well later. Now coming on to the second one, this is probably one of my favorite watches that I purchased in recent time. And the reason for that is simply because of the color. Now starting with the box, this is a black G-Shock box which is kind of faded with white color, very different. Quickly show you the watch. So this is the watch here. So this is a black G-Shock watch. Now I have been wanting to buy a black G-Shock watch for a very long time, simply because black watch is something that goes with almost every outfit, and I do have a lot of black sneakers, I do have a lot of black lowers, black t-shirts and black hoodies. So I always wanted to get a black G-Shock watch. Unfortunately, I was not able to find the right one, and the best thing about this watch is this is not a round dial. This is a square dial, which is different from other G-Shock watches. G-Shock do make a lot of square watches as well, but they have got very small dial and they look very small on my this fat wrist. So I wanted something which is in a square shaped dial but a little bigger. Right, so coming to the final item on the list, this is probably the most expensive item out of all of the items that I've shown you so far. So if you do not know, this is Nike Air Jordan 1 High box. And now generally the Air Jordan 1 boxes come with black, and this Nike and the swoosh is of red color. but they have made an exception and they have made it in yellow. The reason for that is because it is a yellow color sneaker. So this particular sneaker is Air Jordan 1 High, and the name of the sneaker is Pollen because of the color combination yellow and black. Now this is my first Air Jordan 1 High sneaker, and I copped it from Veg Non-Veg. This is the first time I've ever won a raffle. Really happy to finally cop these sneakers because I have been wanting to buy a Jordan 1 High for a very long time. Now I will be reviewing this particular sneaker in detail, so stay tuned on my channel. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Please hit the thumbs up button down there, that really helps a lot. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you thought about this entire shopping haul video, and should I add clothing or watches in my future videos or not. So thank you so much once again. Take care of yourself, take care of family members.